Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm your Apple ID and iOS version to prepare for iCloud sync. Check that your iPhone runs iOS 17 or later for full compatibility. Verify you have at least 5 GB iCloud storage available or upgrade to a 50 GB plan if needed. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and ensure your battery is above 50% before starting. Turn on two-factor authentication for your Apple ID to keep data secure. Close large apps to reduce sync conflicts during the initial upload. Open Settings, tap your name at the top, and select iCloud to view sync options. Toggle iCloud Drive to sync documents and app data across your devices. Turn on Photos to sync your library. Choose iCloud Photos for full resolution uploads. Enable Contacts, Calendars, and Notes to keep data consistent across devices. Scroll to iCloud Backup, switch it on, and tap Backup Now to create an immediate backup. Wait for the backup to finish before making major changes to your device or signing out. If syncing fails, open Settings and review iCloud storage to find full or stalled uploads. Upgrade to a larger plan, like 50 GB, if you repeatedly hit the 5 GB limit. Sign out of your Apple ID on the iPhone and sign back in to reset sync connections. Restart the iPhone and update to the latest iOS to address software bugs. Reset network settings if Wi-Fi issues block upload and download operations. Finally, verify synced files on iCloud. COM or a second device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.